In this video I'll be showing you the image picker. So say we want to add an image gallery to the home page. We go to our solution. You'll notice that I'm on the page view model, and the page view model has an image gallery property to type list picker, and it's specifying the UI hint to use the puck image picker editor template. It's also specifying a settings attribute which says max pick, you're only allowed to pick 2 images. You could set these settings in the back office if you don't want to do it through code, but I prefer to do it through attributes. That's why I use this method. So we've also got display attribute that's saying that's set in the group name, which means that the tab that this property is going to be displayed in is going to be the images tab. So this property is going to be displayed in the images tab. So if we go to our home page view model, you'll notice that home page inherits from the page view model. So it's going to inherit that image gallery property as well. So if we go to our home page in the back office, you should see in the images tab the image gallery, and when we look around you'll notice that there aren't any images to select. So the first thing we need to do is add some images. So if we expand the home page node, we can add a folder here to hold our images. So if we select create folder, choose the language English, we'll call this folder images. And we're going to add our first image. Image is just another view model. It's just like any other content. We are going to select a file, desktop, we'll select this one, description, train station. It's useful to set descriptions because then you can search for the image and you'll be able to find it more easily. And maybe we'll call this, we'll give it a node name as well, train station. Now you'll notice it's taken a while. I'm actually on a slow connection and I've configured the CMS to upload the images to blob storage, Azure blob storage. So the image is currently being uploaded on my slow hotel internet connection. Okay, so it uploaded the image. You'll notice that the link at the bottom. Okay, so yeah, it's in Azure blob storage, which is where we want it, and we specified that by using a in our image view model. We've specified the transformer for the image to use, so it's using the puck Azure blob image transformer. There's another transformer that stores the image on the local file system, if that's what you prefer, but I prefer to store my images on Azure, so that's why I use this particular transformer. If we go back to the back office, we can set up crops, but no crop sizes have been set up. So if we follow the link here, we'll be able to set up crop sizes. So let's call our first crop thumbnail, and we'll give it a width of 300 and a height of 300. So we update that, that's been added, and now we can go back to our train station image and we can specify that as our crop and save. Let's add one more image. And this time, what will we select? I like Bill Murray, so I just selected an image of Bill Murray. Bill Murray. And it's validation, so if I didn't select, if I didn't put in a node name and I try to save, it will tell me. So Bill Murray. Again, apologies for the slow internet connection. So it's uploading this image to Azure. Okay, so that finished, and we can select our crop and update. So you get the image information like the extension, the width, the height, the size, and the crop there. So we've got two images now. So now we can go to our home page and to our image gallery property, and we can select those images that we added. So if I go to home images, you'll see that there are the two images. So we can select train station and Bill Murray, and if I wanted to, if I go to the root and I search for Bill, I could, the reason there's two is because I've actually uploaded it twice. I've uploaded it in the home page, site. There's two sites here. There's the Japanese site, sorry, so there's a Japanese site, and then there's the regular site as well, at the root. There's two roots, and the image exists in both of them, so that's why two results are showing. So if I clear that selection, I can press escape to close the window, and I'm going to hit save here to save the image gallery. If I wanted to view these images and adjust their crops, I can just hit edit and go to the crops and move it around, and I can close this slide window by hitting escape as well. So those are my images, and now if we want to display them, we can go to our homepage template, and we can do a for loop for each our image in model.imageGallery.getAll. We want to get type image VM, which is the name of the image view model I'm using for those images. And here I can display an image. Source equals at image.getCrop. And the name of the crop that we added was thumbnail. So that should get us the thumbnail crop, and we can do image dot description for the alt text. That should do it. So if we now go to view our home page, we should see our images show up. And as you can see, those are the crops that we configured. So if we go to our train station image, you can see that that's where the crop is, and that's the part that is, that's the part that's showing in the crop. And the same for our Bill Murray crop. it's showing his face, and that's the part that's showing in our image crop. So that's how easy it is to work with the image picker and with crops in Puck. That's the end of this video.